Okay, dear students, today we're going to study and analyze one project called Microclimate Temperature Variation. So, the different zone of the school campus. First, we're going to analyze the setup under the tree. Temperature, we're going to measure through this. HTC1 is a thermometer and hygrometer that we can measure temperature plus humidity of the atmosphere. So for first, let's go under the tree and observe the temperature. All right. This is under the tree shaded area. So we'll observe the temperature. Nang ito katang changon. May temperature ulo. Si ulo ba? Ay si kya libre mo ne? Yung temperature.
27.2 degrees Celsius.
27.2 degrees Celsius. Okay. My humidity is kya lege? 50%. No miyam ubro. Uwi ko. Asi siya. This temperature we are recorded here under the tree. Ako yung shaded area dala iba na tro. Ko. Aduna. Siga ne comparison to say. Let's compare this zone with the exposed area. That is in the school campus. And hasig siya. Ako yung lilipat jaga siya. Magi surface yung ging siya. Sumsang mo. Así que no, surface siya. Surface ka rin sa akin. What is the surface? Swell na tra. Okay. As you can kanga dapat siya, swell na malay. The surface is swell and we are under the tree. Okay, vegetation cover na lay. Bako. Sin malay. Temperature do. Yang lay. Okay. 27.3 or 4. Okay. Laos on that. Let's move to the next location inside the school campus. Okay, now we are in the main playground area. This is the exposed area where we get the direct sunlight. And what is the soil surface here? I mean, what is the surface? Concrete ko. Kadi kono re. Crack chakre. This is the surface is concrete and it's an exposed area. Okay. Okay. Now we observe the temperature has suddenly jumped up. Okay. What's the temperature right now? 30.0 degrees Celsius. And the humidity is?
31%.
Okay, now 30.3. Okay. Exposed area in the main playground where the surface is concrete and it's an exposed area. We are getting the direct sunlight. Temperature, what we observe is 30.5. 30.7. So it keep on fluctuating and increasing. Move to the corridor. Temperature right now?
29.8 degrees Celsius.
Okay. So this is the corridor. What is the surface here?
Concrete.
Concrete or cement, right?
No.
Cement or concrete. Okay, aduga. This is the corridor. We're observing here 29.7. Okay. Have you recorded this one? Record to soil surface ka my temperature. Okay, yeah. Okay, we are standing right outside the school campus and it's a bit noisy here because of the traffic pollution. And the surface is metallic road. Let's observe the temperature. What's the temperature now? 111. Okay, the humidity is 47%. All right. Temperature is all the time up here, just beside the traffic area outside the school campus. All right. This is the temperature we have recorded beside the traffic area outside the school campus area. Okay, yeah. Expo-
One question. My question is that
Okay.
why the temperature under the tree are lower than the temperature that of the place where sunlight is exposed.
Okay, so you basically what you want to ask is the temperature between under the tree and exposed area, right?
Yes, sir.
As we observe through the this digital thermometer, what was the temperature here? I think you have recorded the first one, 27.2. And what about the playground one, exposed area, 30.7. So there is a jump of around 2 degrees Celsius, right? 2 to 3 degrees Celsius. There's a direct sunlight. We got the heat, direct sunlight in the exposed area. And whereas in the shaded area, the tree cover, the vegetation cover, they protect from the direct heat of the sun, right? So the temperature is normally minimized here. Okay. So any other other than the sunlight, heat, can you give any other answer? There may be certain answer also, other than the heat from the sunlight. The temperature is down here.
How about wind?
Wind. Okay. Wind also is good answer. Wind can also cool down the temperature, right? Because the wind is basically from the branch or the leaf from the tree. They can give the temperature down. Any other?
Answer humidity.
Humidity.
Oh.
Okay. What is the name of the process where water is lost from the leaf?
Transpiration.
Okay, this one. The second point is transpiration. Transpiration means this leaf, the tree of the leaf, they lose water through transpiration. So it makes the surrounding environment cooler than the exposed one because there is no tree, right? So there is a release of water from this tree. That's number 2.
Sir, may I ask a question?
Okay, sure. Go
Sir,
ahead.
is there a reason why soil is much cooler than concrete?
Okay, so what we have observed is that there's a soil surface here, and the exposed one is the playground one, which that is the concrete one, right? So, but what we observe is that the soil one has more, cooler temperature. The reason behind is this soil surface they have a pore in it, and because of this pore there is an aeration and there's a soil moisture, right? And even water can be loose from this soil, so there is a moisture content in it, and that's why the temperature is cooled down because of this soil surface, right?
Thank you, sir. Question.
Okay.
Since our topic is microclimate, I would like to clarify what is the difference between weather and climate.
Okay, so Parinita has asked about the weather and climate. Any one of you can give your opinion. What's the difference between weather and climate? I think Lanlasmi want to answer.
Sir, weather is for short period, and whereas climate is for over a long period.
Okay, it's right. So weather and climate. I think when you just switch on the TV, you might have heard about today's weather report, not today's climate report, right? So weather is a short time period, and climate is about maybe more than 30 years, right? So it gives the average pattern of the weather condition over a long period of time. That is our climate. And today what we are observing is a microclimate temperature variation. Micro means what?
Small.
Small. So this school campus is a small area, right?
Yes.
So what we are observing is that different temperature variation between small different zones. One is the under the tree, one is the in the playground, one is in the corridor, right? And one is just outside the school campus. That kind of measurement that we found in the small area confinement. Okay, that temperature variation it comes under this microclimate. All right. Any confusion?
No, sir. Now we understand.
Okay. Yeah. So we have measured different zones of the school campus. Firstly, set 3 exposed school campus area, corridor, traffic area. And this is temperature. When we do the plotting, set area, temperature the camera side. This is
27. 27.2 degrees.
So when we go, okay. Exposed area क्या no?
30.7.
30.
0.7.
Okay. Corridor
29.6.
okay. And traffic to क्या no?
31.5.
31.5. So after collecting the data, when we plot the graph, we go like this. Go. Okay, girls. We have analyzed and observed about the microclimate temperature variation in our school campus. So, what do you learn? Any lessons you have learned from this study?
Now we have learned that from this small campus area, we observed that there is microclimate variation. For example, we observed that there is cooler temperature. So we should plant more trees to minimize the global temperature for healthier and greener world. Thank you.
Okay, so we have learned a very good lesson that we can plant more trees to minimize the global temperature, and in doing so, I guess our scientific skill and analysis has been enhanced through this observation, and I believe that is aligned with the vision of NEP, National Education Policy 2020. All right, so thank you for your participation and God bless you all.
Thank you, sir.